look, there's too much sunshine. Go around here again in a minute. It's gone left. It's gone that way. No, you'll be coming round over the tops in a minute. You go round that way. He's going to come over it. Oh, he's got into land, look. He's got his legs out. It's upside down now over there. It's gone that way round. He just spun and he's upside down way down there.
Oh, that's sick. Here comes the noise.
Go back round a minute.
Okay.
There he is. Top there, mate. Yeah. See him?
Yeah.
Well, he's slowing right down for you now, mate. He's cruising now. And then he's going down a lot. Oh, yes. That's a good shot for you. He'll come round here, look. Here he goes. Round here. Cruising. Cruising over the airfield. Just wait. Go in a minute. No doubt. Where is he?
He's over there somewhere.
Yeah, he's still. He's gone in slow. Ping off around here. Now he's gone round the back. He's over, no. Here he comes, he'll come over here, really. There he is. Coming this way. Listen, we'll just look for him. There he is. Over the distance. Here, look at this, Lacey. Lacey, come here, look. No, he's big, look, he's nice. Don't pull them. Leave them alone. Here he is, Callum. Get some shots now. Get some really slow shots now. Going round.
Yeah, I've got some good images.
He's upside down now. Look at him.
The pilot must be.
Here he comes. Here, look.
Oh, I
Back
think
in a minute. Go straight along the runway. I'll come back round again in a minute.
he's over there.
Yeah, he's waiting to land, I think. He spins round. He's slowing down now, yeah, he's waiting to land, look.
The Typoon.